If you are a parent, guardian, or an educator, I have made this video especially for you. The topic is tips and techniques on how to have excellent relationship with our children. Hello and hi, my name is Diptii Lawreince and I'm an internationally certified life transformation coach, a counselor, and a master neurolinguistic practitioner. I'm the founder owner of Mind Body Souls. Normally, we speak about law of attraction, manifestation, meditation, self-help, living the best version of our lives, etc. in our videos. But this video is a little different. We're going to be talking about how to have excellent relationship with our kids, as that helps us have peace and happiness in our lives. I have been conducting workshops for kids and for teens in India and internationally, and I'm passionate about them leading better lives. So this video is a compilation of those tips and techniques, and I'm sure you're going to benefit out of watching this. So keep watching. Sadhguru, in one of his videos, says it beautifully, that our relationship with our kids should be based on the equation of kinship and not ownership. They don't really owe us for nurturing them or for meeting their expenses. We as parents should come from a point of support, guidance, and unconditional love. I will leave the link below in the description so that you could go ahead and check out Sadhguru's video. Now, let's go ahead and dwell into our topic. The most important point is to keep the communication open and friendly. Communication does not mean only what you say, but also how do you say it, your tone, your modality, the words that you use, your physiology. All this is important. Next, spending quality time with kids. Ensure that you spend quality time with your kids without multitasking on your phones, laptops, or tabs. You could do this during meal times or during play times, but ensure that you're totally concentrated on your kids. Make them understand that they're super important. They're not substandard to any other economic activities or to household chores. Talking about chores, I come to my next point. In order to make our kids accountable, responsible, and independent, we need to entrust them with certain tasks. They can help you in keeping toys in its proper place after playtime. They can help you with throwing the trash, with doing a little bit of dishes. These are life skills and they're not gender specific. Both boys and girls should do it. It is an excellent idea to teach financial literacy to our kids. Involve them in household budgeting. Ask their opinions in decision making. However, ensure that you do not teach them limited beliefs. One of the most important points in parenting is to make our kids more human. Teach them the skills of kindness, empathy, and of being a balanced human being. These values matter so much. Always encourage and nourish their uniqueness. Stop comparison. Stop the game of showing off your kids. So in our extended families, some child might be a good singer, some might be extremely good with their academics, some might be super creative. But we are not meant to compare the kids. Each kid has their own uniqueness. Understand that children model their elders. So if you are a person who is always sitting with your laptop or mobile, you cannot expect your kids to be voracious reader. Actions always speak louder than words. Pay attention to their mental health. It is of paramount importance. Many of us have not come from having had a beautiful childhood. So there is this vicious cycle, wherein our childhood was not very good. We were taught conditional love, and which resulted in some sort of a bad parenting. So break the vicious cycle. Heal yourself. So that's it for this video. I hope this video has helped. Please like and subscribe and share this video. It might help others. Happy parenting. Take care.